How to fix Roblox mobile audio not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix if the audio is not working in your Roblox application in your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, check your phone volume. Make sure that silent mode is turned off and the volume is up. So press your volume up key and make sure that the volume is turned off. And if that's not your case, and if you have the problem, then close the Roblox app completely from your device. After that, reopen the application and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you could restart your device. Tap on power button on your device and then you could restart your device and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, and if you have turned on Bluetooth in your device, make sure to turn it off. The audio might be routed to your connected device, so make sure that to turn off your Bluetooth if your audio is not working properly. If that still does not help you, make sure that the application is up to date. So to check for the updates, you have to open up Google Play Store, tap on the search icon, and in the search bar, search for Roblox and check whether the application needs to be updated or not. If the application is missing out any updates, the application may not function properly. That may be the reason that you are not, or that you are having audio problem in Roblox. Now once you update the application, check if your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you could uninstall Roblox from your device, reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. That will give your application face restart and then your problem will be solved. So that's it. That's how you can fix if you have audio problem in Roblox in your mobile device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.